Hi, I'm Nutworth, investor, strategist, and full-time acorn economist. And today, I want to explain one of the most important ideas in wealth building. Why the first $100,000 is the hardest. Imagine trying to push a snowball downhill. At first, it barely moves. You push with everything you've got, but it still feels like nothing is happening. That's exactly what investing feels like in beginning. But once the snowball becomes big enough, something changes. It starts moving with less effort, then faster, then almost on its own. That's exactly how wealth works. Most people begin investing from zero. No momentum, no large returns, no exciting numbers. Just the decision to start and the discipline to keep investing, even when progress feels slow. Let's say you invest $500 every month. Not a huge amount. Not flashy, just consistent. Month after month after month. And this is where most people get frustrated. Because in the beginning, progress feels painfully slow. Your contributions are doing almost all the work. Your money still isn't big enough to help you much. But then you reach a major turning point. $100,000. This is where the math begins to change. Because now, your money starts pulling some of the weight. At an 8% annual return, $100,000 can generate $8,000 in growth in a single year. And that's before you add another dollar yourself. That is the moment compounding starts to become visible. This is the magic of compounding. Your money makes money. Then that money makes more money. And over time, the growth stops being linear and starts becoming exponential. From 100,000 to 200,000, then 200 to 400, the doubling 400 may take similar time, but the dollar growth becomes dramatically larger. That's why 1 million starts feeling much closer once the snowball is already rolling. The hardest part of investing is simply getting started. The problem is, most people quit during this phase, not because investing doesn't work, but because it works too slowly for them to believe in it. So if you're still in the early stage, keep going, because the hardest part of investing is not becoming wealthy. It's staying consistent long enough for compounding to take over. Push the snowball long enough, and one day it starts rolling by itself.